Hey guys, today we are going to explain how you can handle your bills, for example, in a multi way, like a photo or PDF or a text. Okay, so for example, you want to put all this data or the total, for example, of this bill. For example, if you got many bills yearly or monthly, you can handle them with an easy way just doing this. First thing, we are going to make the full workflow to extract the data from this photo. First thing, we are going to take, for example, the invoice, provider names. Then we are going to extract the date of the invoice and the total of this invoice and put them organized in a spreadsheet, okay, or in a Google Sheet documents. So watch the video. We are going to explain the whole process and I hope you enjoy. Hi guys, how you doing? Today we are going to explain a full workflow that can do this. You are going to take a photo of your bill, for example, or if you got a bill in a picture or image format, or like a PDF, or you can put it as a text. Okay, so if we got, for example, if we got the bill in a photo, you are going to send it by your Telegram, but then the Telegram will send it to the switch to define if the bill is an image or PDF or text. Then we are going to choose, the workflow will choose if the bill is an image or a picture, so the workflow will send it by this way. So for example, the Telegram will give us the file, the image. Okay, then we are going to extract the data from the file. We are going to turn it on a file base 64 string. We will explain this later. Then the HTTP request will extract the data from the image. We are going to take the important things from the image and we will extract them. Next, we will send the full process to OpenAI so can analyze the data and organize it. Then we will send the data to Google Sheets. Okay, so the system will organize all the data in a way that we can understand it. For example, we will get the amount, we will get the invoice or the bill name, for example, and the date. Okay. After that, the OpenAI will help us to make a full reply with the full message with the details of the first bill and the second and so on. We will get a feedback on our Telegram. The same things will happen with the second and the third line. We will analyze the PDF, we will extract the data from the PDF, make it in a Google Sheets spread, then we will get a feedback through Telegram that as a confirmation that all is okay. So, and the third part is a text. We will explain. For example, if you got the information of your bill and you don't have any image or PDF invoice, so you can just make it. Or for example, you did some gas on a station or on a gas station or something, you can use just a text. You will do your invoices manually. For example, you will write a handwriting or with a text you are going to send a text to your Telegram bot that you spent, for example, $30 in a gas station on May 2, for example, 25. Okay, so the system will analyze this, okay, send it to a spreadsheet, and the same thing, you will get the confirmation on your Telegram bot. Maybe we can next or later we can do more options. We can add a audio, for example a voice note on your Telegram, so the system will transfer the voice note to a text, then it will pass through this process. Okay, if you are interested of adding a voice note, for example option here, we can do it later if you are interested. So let's start explaining the whole process.